In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen an image in Photoshop in 2026 using the best quality method for professional results, plus a quick one-click option if you're short on time. Whether you're editing photos for social media, YouTube thumbnails, or professional prints, sharpening correctly can make your images look dramatically clearer and more detailed. Make sure to watch until the end so you know exactly which settings to use. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop. You can do that by going to File, then Open, and selecting your photo from your computer. Once your image is open, head over to the Layers panel and select the layer you want to sharpen. If you're working with a single image, it will usually be your background layer. For better flexibility, you can right-click the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This step is optional, but it allows you to adjust the sharpening later without permanently affecting your image. Now, with your layer selected, go to the top menu and click on Filter. Then hover over Sharpen and choose Smart Sharpen. This is the best sharpening method in Photoshop because it gives you the most control and produces natural-looking results. Once the Smart Sharpen window opens, you'll see several settings. The first one is Amount. This controls how strong the sharpening effect is. Increasing the amount will make edges more defined and detailed. A good starting point is somewhere between 100 and 150%. If your image is slightly soft, stay closer to 100%. If it's very soft or slightly out of focus, you can push it closer to 150%. Next is Radius. Radius controls how thick the sharpened edges appear. Lower values create finer detail sharpening, while higher values create thicker, more noticeable edges. For most high-resolution images, a radius between 0.8 and 1.5 pixels works very well. If you go too high, the image can start to look unnatural or develop halos around edges, so adjust this carefully. Then you'll see Reduce Noise. This is extremely helpful because sharpening can sometimes make grain or digital noise more visible. Adding a small amount of noise reduction keeps your image looking clean. A good starting range is between 10 and 20%. Adjust it just enough to smooth out grain without losing detail. As you adjust these settings, make sure Preview is checked so you can see the changes in real time. Zoom into your image at 100% to properly judge sharpness. This is important because viewing at other zoom levels can be misleading. Once you're happy with the result, click OK. And that's it. You've successfully sharpened your image using Smart Sharpen, which gives you the highest quality and most natural control in Photoshop. Now, if you're in a rush and just want a quick sharpening effect, there's an even faster method. Go to Filter, then Sharpen, and simply click Sharpen. Photoshop will instantly apply a basic sharpening adjustment. If you want a slightly stronger effect, you can choose Sharpen More instead. This method is great for quick edits, but keep in mind it doesn't give you control over amount, radius, or noise reduction, so it's not as precise as Smart Sharpen. And that's how you sharpen an image in Photoshop in 2026. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.